Imagine turning any outdoor space into a peaceful green paradise, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to Garden Freedom, where creativity, sustainability, and nature come together to transform your life. In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful ways to thrive through gardening and create a beautiful garden that works for you. The first step to garden freedom is choosing the right plants for your environment. Think about your climate, soil quality, sunlight, and water availability. If you're just starting out, beginner-friendly plants like basil, mint, marigolds, tomatoes, and lavender are excellent choices. Try companion planting to help plants stay healthier naturally. For example, marigolds can help protect tomatoes from pests. Having the right tools can save time and make gardening much easier. Some must-have gardening tools include a hand trowel, pruning shears, a garden fork, a rake, soil testers, and watering systems. Investing in high-quality tools means less effort and healthier plants. A successful garden starts with a smart plan. Observe how sunlight moves across your space during the day. Group plants with similar needs together and create easy walking paths. Small space is no problem when you use vertical gardening, hanging baskets, containers, or raised beds. Even a balcony can become a lush green sanctuary. Garden freedom also means caring for the environment. Sustainable gardening practices help your plants thrive while protecting nature. Try composting kitchen waste, mulching to retain moisture, using organic fertilizers, collecting rainwater, and installing drip irrigation systems. These methods reduce waste, save water, and improve soil health naturally. Every gardener faces challenges like pests, weeds, and plant diseases. The good news is many problems can be solved naturally. Use ladybugs for pest control, neem oil sprays, garlic sprays, and mulching to stop weeds. For powdery mildew, a simple baking soda and water mixture can help control the spread. Garden freedom is about creating a space that brings peace, beauty, and happiness into your life. No matter how small your space is, you can build a thriving garden with creativity and care. If you enjoyed this video, comment your favorite gardening tip, and subscribe for more gardening and lifestyle content. Visit HUMANITYUAPD.com for more helpful guides and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!